From MTalks. This video is for giving you a brief description about how our portal can be used for sending bulk SMS and what are the basic features that we have given in our portal to send SMS to your customers or to your clients. So let's start. As you know, this is our portal. Here you can get a compose section through which you can send SMSs by manually upload the Excel sheet of the contact numbers of your clients, and you can customize your message and you can send it to them as per your selection. There are generally there are four options we have given: send SMS, Unicode, customize, and personalize. So all these four options are different properties. Let's start with the send SMS. So when you select send SMS, so this send SMS will be treated as a normal English language SMS. Like you want to send some good morning message or anything that you want to send your customers, like any promotion activity or anything, then you can do it. So for that, what you have to do, you have to select your route. It's a very easy option. As you can see that we have multiple routes. So you need not to worry. You can see only your route that we have provided to your account. Let's suppose I've selected the transactional route. Then choose your sender ID, whichever that is. Let's our sender ID is big SMS. Then we can select it at here. Write down your campaign name, whatever that is. Test mtalks, and try to select your template creation. I will explain you everything about the template creation in the later videos. So now generally for the testing purpose, I've created a normal template which is known as Diwali. So whenever I select this template, automatically the message comes in the message box. Okay, you can create multiple templates, and I will show you how to create and how to save them in the later videos on the template section. Now this is the number box, or you can say that number portal. Here you can either manually type your number. Okay, each number is separated by the enter keyword. Okay, or if you want, then you can also upload a file of your contact sheet. Just click in the import section, go to the desktop, sample file where I have put in that contacts, choose. You can see that there are two numbers in the file, so that's why the file will show you only two numbers. Okay, you can put any number of contact numbers in your list. That is to depend on you. There are more options are, if you click on the clear section, then the numbers will be clear. If you click on the unique section, the uniqueness will be checked and duplicate numbers will be removed. And if you click on the count section, then you will get a total count of how many numbers have you uploaded through the Excel sheet. Okay, now I'm gonna again upload that file, the testing purpose. That's it. Now here you can see that we have a one select as a flash option is a checkbox. Once you select that, select as a flash, whatever the message in the message content box, it will be delivered to your customer's mobile number as a flash message. Okay, so if you want to send flash message, then you have to check enable that option. Otherwise, the message will be delivered as a normal text SMS. Now, what is that quick link? Quick link means if you want to share a link of your website or of your any page or your mobile application download link, whatever that is, then you can send it through here. So what you have to do for this, you just have to toggle on this button. Automatically bitly will be created. Okay, or you can say a short link will be created by our portal who is generally categorized by 1mt.n. You can write down your website, whatever that is. So right now I'm just going to put my officially website, and you can send your SMS. So there are two options we have given, one for quick send SMS and the second one for schedule SMS. So as you know that schedule SMS is used for scheduling the SMS particular a date and a time whenever you want. Okay. And there is a option, a special option is also available, which one is known as a split and schedule. It means that let's suppose you have initiated a campaign with the 10 lakh numbers, and you want that each and every lakh number will be executed in an interval of 1 hour. So what you have to do, just toggle on this option, put down the number you want to initiate in each and every 60 minutes. It means that every 1 hour, 1 lakh SMS will be executed from your 10 lakh mobile number uploaded file. So if you want to quick send SMS, then just click on the quick send and send now. Then your message will be delivered to given numbers. Now come to the Unicode section. So this Unicode section is same as the send SMS, but the major differences between the send SMS and the Unicode is this option is used for sending messages on other languages like Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Urdu, whatever the language you want. The same, all the options are same. Like just select your route, just select your sender ID, write down your campaign name, select your template. You didn't get any template at here because we don't have created any template of a Unicode SMSs. You can write down your own number, or you can import the number from here whenever you want. Just upload the file. Okay, and right at here you can directly copy paste your Unicode SMS content, or you can type down whenever you want. Now let's come to the customize section. So what is the customize option? Customize option is a very useful option when you have multiple contact numbers with multiple different message content on multiple languages. It means, let me show you a sample file. This is the customized format sample file, and this format, you can get this format from this button. Once you create this button, the file customized format file automatically downloaded to your system. So let's open that thing. You can see that that file option is in a CSV, so that's why he always asks you that to open anyway. You have to tell them yes. So what that file looks like? It means that in the first column you have to drop your customers' mobile numbers, and in the second column you have to put your customers' message content. Like the number 9736036097 will receive a SMS in a Hindi language, which one is a Unicode test message, and the customer 97361366097 will receive a English message, which one is written in English language like Unicode test message. You can write down multiple numbers in a multiple language, different message bodies. Let me show you how to upload that thing. So select a route as usual, select a sender ID. Okay, write down your campaign name, test, and select your file at here. Once you select the file, you will get a preview of the entire file, that this mobile number will receive this message and this mobile number will receive this message. Okay, whenever you quick send the SMS, the SMSs will be triggered according to your sheet. That is a very interesting feature. Now the last one is, what is personalized message? So comes to the personalized message. Personalized message is also, you can say that when any bank want to send some EMI messages to their customers. So what they will do, either they will trigger EM messages by API, or they will have a list of the customers, and on that list they have their mobile number, their account number, their amount, okay, whatever that they due to the bank, the date and all. So if you have that file, you can upload that file in our portal, and you can send multiple messages as per your personalized, or you can say that you can personalize your message as per your data, and you can send it to your customers. Let me show you. You can get a sample personalized file after clicking it here, and I've already created a personalized format file. So let's open this, see it how it looks like. Now these are the column name. You can add or delete multiple column name as per your requirement. There's no restrictions. So always remember that every sheet, either it is a customized sheet, either is a contact sheet, either is a personalized sheet, the first column should be for the mobile number only. Okay. So now uh, come at here when we see that this number is dedicated to Abhi, whose account number is this, and his loan amount is 6,500 rupees. This mobile number is dedicated to Abhijit, whose account number is this, and whose loan amount is this. So you can select multiple options, or you can have multiple contact numbers, multiple name with their different or unique account number and different loan amounts. You can send SMS by using this particular data through the personalized message. Let me show you how you can send this. Close this. So here you have to select the transactional route as well, the sender ID, which one you want to use to send SMS, the campaign name, test as usual. Now you have to select your personalized format file at here. Once you select it, you can see that in the manage message section, you will get all the column name as a variable. These are the variable. Now these variable will be used to personalize your SMS, and after the personalizing the SMS, the message will be delivered to your customer according to your sheet. Let's suppose, first of all, hello, and after the hello, I want to use the name column. Just select the name, drag that, and this one is created as a variable. Okay. Now I just want to choose the account number. Now I have to choose the loan amount. That's it. So now looks how the message will looks like when I want to preview this. You can see that this number is dedicated to Abhi, so that's why this number name is Abhi. General reminder for account number is this, and the amount is this. And this number is dedicated to Abhijit, whose account number is this, and the amount is this rupees. This is how you can use the personalized SMS to send SMS to your customers according to your use. You can put any number of variable that you want, any number of value. Either it is a date format, either it is in a numeric format, either it is in a alphanumeric format, either it is a alphabetic format, whatever that is. Just click on the quick send now button. All the SMS will be delivered instantly to your customer's phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. That's all for in this video. In the letter section, I will add try to get a description about how to use that multimedia SMSs and manager section as well. Thanks for watching.